Hey guys, andito kami ngayon sa Saris Candies. Tara! Tingnan natin kung anong sa loob. Ayan guys, Saris Chocolate Factory and Ice Cream Parlor. Pasok tayo guys.
Go, my dear.
Ito ang kanilang entrance. Halloween na Halloween guys. Sa daming candies.
Hello.
Bunch of chocolates. Wow. Mga chocolates nila guys. Bunch. Yummy. Which are chocolates? Tutuwa yung mga kids dito. Ng mga designs. Their Halloween stuff din sila dito. It's their design for tricks. Saris candy. This is chocolate. Iba. Tara guys, punta ka tayo sa ibang place. Meron sila dito. Mga chocolate nila, birthday. Strawberry. Sarap. Chocolate. Oh guys, oh. Real chocolate guys.
See that? That's all chocolate.
There's all chocolate guys.
8 feet in length, 3 feet
Cazel.
deep. Time to build.
Like,
look here.
yeah.
Time to build 3 months, built by a team of 8 people.
That's why. So nice. It's very nice. Okay guys, solid candy.
Solid sugar.
1 year mo bago maubos kainin. Pure candy. I buy this guys. See? That chocolate pretzel. Ano pa kaya ito dito? Almond bark. Wow, it's all pretzels, chocolates. What's this? Milk chocolate. Kazoy. Baby cream. Guys, oh. Chocolate yan guys. Design. Galing daming chocolate. Chocolate pumpkins guys. Huh? Yeah. It's a chocolate.
I can't see him
chocolate.
selling a lot of them.
Guys, so.
Very pricey.
Yeah. The kids will like it very much. Yeah. And candies guys. Kain tayong ice cream dito guys. Sugar-free chocolate.
How is it?
It's yummy. Hold it. Dark chocolate.
No, you have to put it like.
Got your lunch.